Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this crazy trap beat, brah, in flstudiomobile. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'm going to do my best to explain what I did in this video, in this beat. And then, like, yeah, man, let's go, brah. Like, yo, this beat fire, man. I can't wait to show you what I did, all the stuff. So yeah, man, let's get straight to the video. I'm gonna try my best to explain everything, so I might leave something out, time, bro. But anyways, oh man, I wish I could at least get a microphone and a PC or some speaker, bro, like so that it can be easy for me to just, man, explain myself, all the stuff like other YouTubers. But anyways, I'm just waiting for my turn. My time will come, I know. But anyways, man, yeah, man, I hope this beat is dope for you. But let's get it. Yeah, man, as you can hear, I started with this clarinet staccato, then I added reverb to yeah, man, then I added these keys, this Flemish keys that you can I use the G sharp scale for 120 BPM. Yeah, man, the beat is fire, you can tell, but I feel like something is missing, it's missing some hi-hats. So now let's add the hi-hats, and then although they are hi-hats, but I just want two-step hi-hats, and then give it a bounce, give it that speed, a little bit of power.